Another day of studying. Well, here I'm studying for Red Hat again, Red Hat Linux. I'm using party methods. Earlier, I was giving the log and the permission denied errors and var log messages. Those are very helpful as a Linux system admin or system admin in general. LSBLK and mount commands are very helpful as a system admin. It helps you view your mounts and making sure they're mounted properly. Mount use your read write permissions and your permissions on your mount points. I would say physical volumes are volumes on your disk to hold your disk space. It actually helps to hold your logical volumes to extend them. If a portion of your disk gets too high, you can extend the volume group or decrease another volume group size, logical volume, to manipulate certain parts of your disk. A good idea would be pausing the video to practice on your own. Ampersand helps with putting multiple commands in one. You can make a file system. You can create the volume group, create the logical volume, and make the run the dev ADM settle and system daemon 8 reload to make the persistence changes while the system is online, and you can reboot to test it. Thanks again for tuning into my YouTube channel. Subscribe to learn more, comment, like. I thank you for joining. I'll be sure to post more videos soon. I'm trying to post weekly, so tune in every week. You'll see new videos from me. If not, comment and I'll be sure to make some.